Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Echo 4 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Yu Asaka, a puzzle designer from Japan. Difficulty level of the Echo 4 puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts inside the frame in such a way that all of them will be within the frame, no sticking out parts, no piece on top of another, so we have to find a way how to fit them all inside. The Echo 4 puzzle is made from acrylic. It has 2 white parts and 2 blue parts, and all of them look like kind of small crocodiles, and you can actually put them together like that, and it looks like you're saving some space. But when you add 2 white parts here, you will find that it's not possible to fit them inside. You can try to rearrange the parts in many different ways, but most of the times you will end up with one piece that looks a little bit too big to fit inside of the frame. It is a not so hard puzzle, but it is very nice puzzle from Yu Asaka. As always, all puzzles from Yu Asaka come in such kind of a box where there is a name of the puzzle. Echo 4, it has number 4. Each puzzle from Yu Asaka has a number in it. This one has number 4 on a white background, and on the back side you will find the goal of the puzzle and some pictures of the puzzle. Difficulty level on Yu Asaka's difficulty scale is 2.5 out of 5. So it is really not a very difficult puzzle. It is not like Jigsaw 19 or Jigsaw 29. Those are extremely difficult from Yu Asaka. This one is much more easy to solve, but still quite a fun puzzle with very beautiful solution. If you like the Echo 4 puzzle and you wanna buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.